Welcome to Kanama Cooks. Here is a recipe for a simple Vendakkai Kuzhambu, another everyday recipe served for lunch with rice in Tamil homes. Here is how to do it. Heat couple of tablespoons of Indian style sesame oil in a kadai. Sesame oil is preferred for this recipe. When the oil is hot, add in the mustard seeds. Let the mustard seeds crackle. Add in some curry leaves. Add in a pinch of ASAFOETIDA. Add in some chopped Indian shallots. We also call it as sambar onions. Add in some sliced garlic cloves. Saute for a few minutes till the shallots are soft. Once the shallots are soft, add in the green chilies. Add in the chopped tomatoes at this stage. Add some salt and saute for a few minutes till the tomatoes are mushy. Country tomatoes are preferred for this recipe. Add in the MILAGAI tool at this stage. It is a spice blend used mostly in tamarind-based curries. It is easily available online and I will give a link below if you are interested. Sambar powder can also be substituted. Soak the tamarind in hot water for about 15 to 20 minutes. After soaking, squeeze the tamarind well to extract the pulp. After squeezing the pulp, discard the seeds and the pith. Add the tamarind pulp to the simmering curry. Mix everything well to combine. Let the curry simmer for 5 minutes. While the curry is simmering, let's make a spice paste. Dry roast the rice on a low flame until golden. I have used parboiled rice today, but any rice will work fine for this recipe. Roast the rice on a low flame until it is golden. Once the rice is nicely roasted, remove from the pan and set aside on a plate to cool. In the same pan, add in the chana dal. Add some fried gram, that is the POTTUKADALAI as we call in Tamil, and some dried red chilies. Dry roast these ingredients on a low flame till golden. Roasting on a low flame is key so the lentils are roasted evenly. Once the lentils are ready, transfer this mixture on a plate to cool. In the same pan, add in some fresh shredded coconut. Saute for a minute. No need to brown the coconut. A minute of roasting will do. Add all the roasted ingredients to a heavy-duty blender. Add about half a cup of water and grind to a smooth paste. If necessary, you can add a little bit of more water for grinding if the blender won't budge. Make sure that the paste is ground to a smooth consistency. Add the coconut paste to the pan. Wash the mixie with half a cup of water and add to the pan. Add another cup of water and mix well to combine. Add in a little jaggery at this stage. Cover the pan and simmer the curry for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, the Kuzhambu should have become thick and saucy. Heat a pan and add in a teaspoon of Indian style sesame oil. Add in the chopped lady's finger to the pan. Saute for a few minutes till the lady's finger is slightly roasted and is no more slimy. The sliminess should have completely gone from the lady's finger after roasting for about 3 to 4 minutes. Add the roasted lady's finger to the Kuzhambu. Simmer the Kuzhambu for about a couple of minutes. Our delicious Vendakkai Kuzhambu is now ready. Serve with rice. Hope you liked this recipe. If you try this recipe at home, please don't forget to leave a comment below. Also, show us some love by hitting that little like, share and subscribe buttons. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, it's Suguna signing off and happy cooking. Bye bye.